Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Who are you?
Rome.
Rome.
I'm Rome.
He's my husband. And we want to welcome you to Rhonda Said. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Do, 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 do. Today, we're doing the box that we always do together.
Mm-hmm.
It is the treats box. And the treats box is $25 a month. It is from another country. There's a different country every month. And it's usually a lot of chocolate things, which we do not mind. Sometimes there's some savory things. But we don't know what it is until we get into it.
Oh. Is that what I think it is?
I think it could be France.
Could be Francais.
En français.
It's hard to say Francais. I just see red, black, and blue stripes.
No, it's not.
Who is it?
It's Russia.
Russia? Since when have they had a... Well, I'm behind the times.
That's right. It's Russia.
They've only been Russia for what, 20 years, 25 years or more?
Something like that. Russia is a country sprawled across Eastern Europe into North Asia. Russia is a fascinating country known for many things such as vodka, famous cold winters, sending first man to space, and for being the largest country in the world by landmass. Russia also has very tasty treats. And that's what we care about today. Oh, and there's a print error. So one item was missing on our information card. So we will... Oh, there's a lot of things.
Try to find that one first.
Oh, there's so many things.
Tiramisu Souffle.
Let me show them all the things. There's like tons and tons of things in here. This is like the longest card that we've ever had.
Okay. Take off my long distance glasses. And it's Russian to me. Corvoca. It looks like they might be little vanilla wafers filled with chocolate.
Kvorka Candy by Rotfront. Corvoca Candy by Rotfront is a chocolate glazed wafer candy with multiple layers of wafers in bite size. These Corvoca wafers are some of the most beloved wafer candies in Russia. Show them what it looks like. It's a wafer cookie, which is one of my favorites. This is really good. I'm going to finish that later. That's delicious. All right. Thumbs up.
We have the Janet's Bakery Nepmo, or whatever that is.
Janet's Bakery. You see, it's in Russian.
Here it is.
Claremont with Janet's Bakery. Claremont with marshmallows by Janet's Bakery is a unique snack that consists of a chocolate-covered marshmallow on top of a cookie, which is one of my favorite things ever. Really good. Really good.
There's another one. No, this is, yeah. Is that the same one? I'm not sure.
No, that's not the same, honey. The pictures don't match. My love. That's another Corvoca Candy by Rotfront. Okay. No, that's not what the package looks like. Let's look for the package. Claremont. It's hard to tell. Let's skip that one.
Okay.
Put it back in the box. We'll just go back to it later.
This is man. It's really Russian. We got no indication of what we got here. Little kid on a something.
Is it maybe Alenka?
Yeah.
It's the Alenka milk chocolate by Klansky Oktober. Alenka milk chocolate by Klansky Oktober, it means Red October, is a chocolate bar with condensed milk filling. And they've been making chocolate since 1851. And their chocolate is an all-time favorite for many generations of Russians. And this is what it looks like.
Real milky looking nougat.
It's condensed milk.
This is another Alenka chocolate covered cookie of some kind.
These are really hard.
Here it is. First one.
That's what we just did.
No.
Yeah, that's
what
what
we
I just read.
down here.
No, I read this one up here.
Okay. Well, what is that?
This other one is a chocolate candy by like I showed them the package. No, this is the one. This is the one with the kid face.
The little kid. Alenka.
Chocolate candy by Alenka is individual wrapped bite-sized pieces of chocolate candy from the reputed Russian confectioner Alenka. Each bite is a taste with smooth velvety texture.
Little nugget. A chocolate. It's got like a wafer. Oh, wow.
This is that one.
Okay. Oh, yeah. With hazelnut.
Another Alenka wafer candy with hazelnut. And it's a chocolate glazed wafer candy with hazelnut filling. And this literally is the most stuff we've ever gotten from any one country. That's really good. So we have to just kind of go by the pictures. That's Baton Chick chocolate by Batchkok. Baton Chick is delicious aerated chocolate in a baton shape made with lovely combination of milk and cocoa.
Ooh.
Oh, that looks good.
Oh, it's soft. Very soft. They have another one.
I'm going to save that one for later.
Yeah, it's a little on the bland side, but I mean, it's
smooth. It is velvety.
It's kind of got a peanut buttery flavor.
Corvoca, next candy by Rot Front, is made with caramel and condensed milk, sweet in flavor, soft in texture. You can enjoy them with milk, coffee, or on their own for a mouth-watering treat.
Oh, it's like a little, it almost looks like caramel in a way. We'll see what it tastes like.
It's weird.
It's like a soft sugar loaf in a way.
It's like a little sugar loaf.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I'd want to eat that again, though.
Yeah. Who knows?
Oh, that could be the tiramisu one. No, that's not the right picture. It's Pitchkey, my Moloko by Rot Front. Small bite-sized chocolate candies with strawberry and cream filling on the inside. Originally from Poland, is now one of the most popular candies in Russia.
Oh, it's like a marshmallow type candy that you get in a heart box. Oh, that's neat. It's buttery kind of.
You can have the rest of that. It's okay. It's almost coconut, but not quite.
And we got another one of those.
Oh, that one. That's a attaché Raspberry Cheesecake Souffle by Atomo. And it's a chocolate-covered souffle with raspberry cheesecake filling. It's a luxurious Russian treat that will melt in your mouth.
It's about like the other one.
It's very heavy.
Yeah, they got kind of a marshmallow fluff-like
Consistency.
candy. It's not as sweet as marshmallow, but it's fluffy.
Right. All right. Let's get to the next one.
A lollipop. Oh, it's a rooster.
It's a cock.
Hey, you can suck on this cock.
All day long you can suck on that cock.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find the picture of it. It's not it. I'm not finding a picture of it. There's not a picture of it.
Okay. And it's not the one left out. Well, it is called a Capamio. Man.
We're butchering Russian so poorly today.
Well, just because it looks like English doesn't mean that's even how you pronounce those vowels. I mean,
this sucker is you all day.
Yeah.
I know you love to suck on a nice sucker.
Yeah.
He's got the plastic all off of it.
A little cockadoo.
What's it taste like?
Honey, sorta.
Really?
Yeah.
So I yank my teeth out. That didn't taste like much of anything.
No. I mean, you know.
Sugar, amber.
Yeah.
Amber sugar. All right. That wasn't even listed, so we don't even know what it was.
Here's a little
Oh.
chocolate thing.
Let's see.
I think it's the souffle.
Yes. It's a chocolate souffle by Choco Braun. And its name implies a sumptuous, richly flavored, individually wrapped chocolate-flavored souffle. So I think when they say souffle, they mean like marshmallow-y type texture.
Yeah.
Because when I think of a souffle...
Like an egg cream, in a way.
Not an egg cream's a drink. You get a booger on your face.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, it's in your face. Don't you wish you could bite it? It's chocolate marshmallow. It's pretty good.
You still got that same consistency. Think it's almost like a very light, airy custard.
But it's not, it's marshmallow.
I'm talking about the texture, dear.
I'm talking about the texture also.
Because it ain't a nougat. And it ain't like a pure marshmallow.
But it's more marshmallowy than anything.
Mm-hmm. See?
It's
Squishy.
aerated.
Yeah.
It's got little holes in it. All right, let's find that picture.
That's the one. The card.
Yes, the Tiramisu Souffle by Rotfront. I just love that name. Tiramisu Souffle is a tiramisu flavored souffle with a chocolate shell. We bet that chances are you've never had tiramisu flavored candy before. This souffle is perfect for lovers of cake and chocolate. We are both those things.
Yep, it's another one of those deals.
Woo!
I bet it's got that indescribable filling. Yep. Yep.
Does taste like tiramisu. It's got that faint coffee flavor.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
I think we've had this feller. It's just another one.
Yeah, he goes over there. Let's see. Sweet Story by Silsmore is a chocolate-covered marshmallow with black currant flavored filling.
No way.
A very unique treat, in part because black currant is relatively rare berry with distinctive taste. And I love black currant. I love red currant. I like current affairs.
I like to be current.
Oh, it's lumpy.
You'll know it's good if it's got the lumps.
Let's break it.
Hey, more fluff.
Here, you take that big part.
But I bet moon pies would go over big in Russia. Man.
It's really good. It's probably the best flavor besides the tiramisu.
Yeah.
That was really good.
I'll have to rinse my palate.
With diet tea, that's going to taste nasty.
It's wet, my dear.
And now we've got a little bag. Ooh, it looks like caviar or something. Let's see. Let me take a look at that package again. I don't know that it's... Oh, we already did that one. Hold the package up for the lovely ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. Oh, the rooster was called Totsami Pashutkok. And it was because it had a different kind of wrapper on here.
Oh, croutons. This must be a savory thing. How much you want to bet it's caviar flavored?
I bet it's caviar flavored croutons, you're right.
Time to roll the dice.
Blah.
I mean,
It tastes like caviar.
you could put it in clam chowder.
Oh, I don't like clam chowder.
There you go.
That's like a harsh awakening. After all this marshmallowy chocolate.
Yeah, we saved the what looks like a Wonka bar for last. It's this feller here.
That's aerated chocolate by United Confectioners.
Beautiful package. I love the
It's a chocolate
picture.
bar that consists of tiny air bubbles, and the air bubbles give the chocolate a unique bubbly texture as the chocolate melts in your mouth.
What do we call that here? That's a Nestle bar, isn't it? Or
No.
something like that.
Well, Nestle bars have Rice Krispies.
Yeah.
It looks like this. It's got the little holes in it from the aeration.
It's almost like a chocolate wafer the way it just doesn't have any crunch to it. It's just kind of...
It's really good. It's just plain old good chocolate. All right. So we tasted, let me count. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 things today. Does it seem like we tasted that many things?
Yeah.
It was a lot. Russia, you like some marshmallow fluff. You call it a souffle, we call it the marshmallow fluff.
Yep. You might have went to space first, but we went to the moon and we got moon pies. We got moon pies.
That's right. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you get clapping. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.